Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about comments. When it comes to this Blue app, there are some comments that are not allowed. That is why you should always be guided whenever you are dropping comments about anybody. If the comment you are dropping on a page is not verified, don't drop it. If it's fake, don't drop it. So the picture you see on your screen, this particular person made a comment on a page, and the comment was flagged as a hate speech, and the comment was taken down by FB, and his page also was flagged. I have always advised us to always keep our page clean, both what we type, both the comments we type, both the comments that are on our page. On my previous video, I said if you make a post and there is a particular comment which people are saying things that shouldn't be said, just delete that particular comment, just delete it, or you lock your comment. So now the effects of this thing is that this particular comment that he dropped that was flagged is going to be on this page for a whole year before it is cleared. It is stated on FB. Once you make this kind of comments and they take it down after fact checking it, and they see that maybe the news is not verified, or you say something that goes against a particular religion, or you say something that goes against a particular gender, or the rest of them, or someone used a bad word on you and you retaliated, they are going to flag that comment. And when they flag it, they will remove it, and it will turn to violation on your page, and it will affect, number one, your page distribution. They will not be showing your page to many people as they used to. Your recommendation will be brought down. You won't be getting visibility the way you used to get on your page. So always be guided on the kind of comments you make on this Blue app. Always be guided. Is an app that everybody use, both children, both adults, both females, both male, both the aged, everybody use it. So always be guided. If someone says something you don't like, there is a report button. Just report the comment if you cannot overlook it, or you will just leave it to avoid problems. Leave it, let the person do the comments, let FB, let them handle it themselves. Don't take laws into your hands. Don't say if I drop this comment, it's going to attract a lot of reactions. It will make people come to my own page and support me and follow me. Don't do it. Once it is not fast checked, it's not verified, is going to make the other person feel bad, please don't drop that comment. Because if you do, it will affect your page, and you have to wait for it for one whole year before it clears on your page. Nobody can take out this violation unless you tell them that this comment, if you are sure that the comment you dropped does not go against their rule, you request for a review, and they are going to fact check it again, and maybe if it's a comment that shouldn't be taken out, they are going to apologize and the comment will come back. But please, whichever word you are using on this Blue app, make sure is a comment that will not attract violations. Okay, comment is also a way to keep your page clean. It's not always about what you post, but also your comment section matters a lot, right? So keep it safe out there. I come your way next time. I remain Justice Chibuike. Keep creating.